What's up, people? Retro Django here. Thanks for tuning into my channel again and again. It's so nice to have you here. Okay, guys, in this video today we are going to... I'm just gonna tell the short story, guys. So, about a month ago, I was playing on my Amiga 600, and I was in shoot 'em up mode. I love shoot 'em up games, and the Amiga is just the best platform for that. I mean, oh my sweet mother of candy flush. So I went into the Commodore Amiga page, 25,000 users on Facebook. I mean, if you're into Amiga and you're not in there, you're just living under a rock. Okay, that's how it is. So I went in there and I said, what's up, guys? I want to play some shoot 'em up games on my loved Amiga, and give me some great titles. And here we go, you can see some screenshots. Great titles, and I have tried most of them, but one guy, don't remember the name, you can see it on the screenshot over there. Thank you, my friend, thank you. He said try Tinus, or how it's pronounced, I don't know, I don't care. And I checked out my games library and I didn't have that Tinus game. So he said that he would just send it to me. I mean, look at this. PC0, the PCM-CIA socket on the left side of the Amiga 1200, the best Amiga of all time. I mean, forget all that big box Amiga, paying 4 times this price and buying a big bulky Amiga that will cost you a lot of money and take a lot of space, and you can have everything built in on a keyboard, guys. This one, as you can see, it has got simple PCM-CIA at the side, and I got this game. It's over here, Tinus it's called, and we are together going to copy that game over here. Where was it? It was here. There we go. Now it's inside my main 16 gigabyte compact flash card down here, and it works great. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and unpack this beauty. It's packed with LZX. There we go. And it is unpacked. It's unpacked. Great stuff. 4 files. So let's just go ahead and take it out. I mean, look at this workbench. Isn't that just beautiful? Filled with memories, just like how we had it back in the early 90s. And show all files. Clean up. Oh. Where is it? Where is Tinus, man? All. It's down here. Ah, beautiful stuff. Okay, guys, so the camera is angled this way because if I move it, you will get a lot of sun. So it is what it is. We have got this Amiga 1200 running with the 030, 25 megahertz, 128 megabyte fast RAM and 2 megabyte chip RAM. And we're going to try this Tinus 2001. And we're gonna play it with my lovely Zipstick. This is the best. Go ahead and get one of these, guys. Yeah. Okay, we can start the game. We can choose options, lives, credits, music. All right. So 2001 Abyss beta version. I got a beta version 0.2. Code plus audio is by Pink and graphics by Fate 1. Tinus. It reminds me of a game called something else on the NES. Looks nice graphics. I like it. Alright, guys. Oh, auto fire. Oh, that's... Oh, we got shoot 'em up. Yeah, power-ups down there. Okay. So let's get some, yeah, just took speed up. And we have missile. Should have crouched for power-ups. Oh, this is just, I love games like this. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate you sent me this game. I didn't know it existed on the Amiga. Oh, we have double. Should I take that? Should I take the laser? What's good? What's bad? Oh, don't do that. Okay, the bad part about the bad part about some shoot 'em up games, I didn't think it will quit like that, is actually some of them, when you die once, you are effed because you lose everything. That's just what happened here. Now I know the pattern at the beginning. I will try to play a bit better, which means I have to stop talking. Double. Oh, nice. Oh, it shoots much. Oh, no, I shouldn't pick double, man. It shoots slower now, can you see it? Oh, no. It is what it is. Missile. Oh, missiles are great. The music is great. The graphic is nice. It feels like, you know, 8-bit graphic, just like on the Gradius. It was called, I think, on the NES. Yeah. Nice game, man. Thank you. Option. Oh, that option gives that yellow thingy that shoots, that mimics me. Nice. Stuff like that confuses me a lot. Let's have another option here. Whoa! What is this? Okay. I think it's some sort of shield at front, maybe. Don't know. Oh, you shoot 'em up games, guys. Whoa. Oh, nice. Okay, one more, then I can pick option. Whoa. Yeah. Oh! I don't know, it doesn't blink, so I didn't know if I did give it some damage. Oh, look at this, guys. I have lost everything. That was just almost impossible. Oh, darn it. Na 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 na. What a nice shooter, man. Wow. Oh, a little bit of slowdown down there, which is great. I love slowdowns in shoot 'em up games. I'm losing everything. I have to kill that little guy down there. Speed up. I need speed up. Whoa. This is gonna be impossible, man. Alright. Yeah, you know what I mean. A verdict. I can already give you a verdict. The controls are super nice. I mean, so precise. And I'm not kidding you. I love to play. Option system, go. I mean, I'm not that good at multitasking, guys, but it is what it is. So the controls are great. The hit detection is amazing. Really, really well done. Music, I like the music. maybe this is a port or some sort of remake. Oh, they are getting really close up there. Don't touch the mountains. I think, I'm not sure if it should blink, but oh! Okay, it's too hard for me. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And my dear friend, thank you for sending me this beta version of the game. It plays amazing. Fully recommend it. Wow, what a fun game, man. What a fun game. Again, the Amiga is a great computer for shoot 'em up games. And on that Commodore Amiga page on Facebook, I mean, go in there and just search shoot 'em up. You will probably find it. It's about 3 or 4 weeks old. I mean, over 50 different games shown in there, and I'm just loving everything about it. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little review of this game. It plays amazing. I'm just gonna go in and check out greatest, if it's made for the Amiga, I don't know, or this is a port of it. Let me just GRA Gravity. Greatest. No, it's not here. Okay, then we have got that Tinus, or what's it called, which is a great shoot 'em up game. Another great one is this one. Not Hero Quest, but there we go. Slow the game down. Pal, no. Enable Commander cheat mode. Skip blit. Wait, fix. Oh my sweet mother of candy flush. This is Danish produced game, man. I think it is. I love this. 1988. Oh my god, I love this. When I hear the music, memories, everything, auto fire is on. And I can't, oh, there we go. And this game, the music is so good, you want to stop, shoot, and just listen to the music. Not this part, just wait. Just wait. Give this video 2 minutes more, guys, come on. This, wow. Love it. Oh, the music! Whoa! It is multiplying. Oh, I think that's, wait, is it? Yeah, oh, yes! Yeah, come on, everybody! Yeah. I hate it stops that great tune when I shoot. Darn it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to support this guy on Patreon, go ahead and do so. If not, I still love you. Have a great day out there. Bye. Yo, what the hell? Oh. Yeah. Oh, I need to speed up. Oh. I don't want to shoot. I want to listen to the music, but it's just important without shooting. What a great game. Have a great day out there.